Do you know when you turn to Islam, when you become practicing, or when you've just said your Shahada, you will face many challenges. It happened from the time of the Prophet ﷺ, the earliest of those who accepted the message. They faced persecution in Mecca. So much in terms of persecution that they were shaken and they called out to Allah. They were chosen by Allah to be the first of the people to accept Islam, yet they struggled more than anyone else. They were threatened. Many of them were beaten. Allah is promising them paradise because they were the first to turn to Islam. They were the ones who came in right at the beginning. Allah's telling them, you know what? They are the close ones. For them, they will be paradise. They will receive and achieve more than they would ever have imagined. May Allah Almighty make us steadfast. So if Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali, radiyallahu anhum jami'an, may Allah be pleased with all of them, and the others went through so much in terms of hardship and difficulty, do you think we're not going to go through hardship and difficulty? People put so much of pressure on others that they get so fed up, they say, I made a mistake. However, look at Allah telling us, you will face challenge. You have to face challenge. Don't give up your identity because a few people might have spat in your direction, a few people might have said a few hurtful words, a few people might have hurt you in one way or another. You can deal with that. You can deal with that. You must deal with that in an appropriate way. But it should not deter you regarding your faith. If anything, it must make you stronger. If anything, it must make you stronger in your faith. If you decide to practice and your own family members are against you, it should make you stronger because there were those chosen by Allah who went through that as well.